Hi there. If you're watching this video, then that means two things. First, that you have an interest in human resources and labor relations. And second, by nature of having that interest, we know that you also have exceptional taste.
Now, my name is Dr. Joshua Block, and I too have interests in HR and LR. Now, I teach courses I teach Management 3050, so Intro to Human Resources Management. Teach Management 2030, Introduction to Organizational Behavior, and I also teach Management 1000.
The purpose of this brief video is to provide answers to some of the questions that you may have about the HR/LR major, such as, what courses do I need to take? What jobs can I get when I graduate? Are there a lot of jobs in this field when I do graduate? And how much will I make if I work in this field? So we're going to take a quick look at some of these questions. What courses do you need to take? Well, the HR/LR area has numerous degrees and certificates available, covering a broad range of topics. Topics including how and why people behave as they do in organizations. How do we manage organizational change? How do we identify training needs? And how do we create opportunities for employee career development? These are among many of the topics that you'll cover in your courses. A few of the courses that do cover such topics are listed here. We have Management 3315 and Management 4390 and 3310. When you master these courses and all the other courses in your degree, you're better preparing yourself to be able to manage the complex world of work, as well as adding value to where you choose to work by creating more productive and fair workplaces. So what jobs can you get when you graduate? Well, quite a few. And are there a lot of jobs in this field? Absolutely, you betcha. So the statistics on this slide come from Burning Glass, which is a database which uses artificial intelligence to scour the web for all the job postings in Canada. And as you can see, during the past 12 months, over 9,000 HR/LR related postings were found. And these postings included a wide range of job titles, including HR assistants, HR generalists, HR specialists, HR managers, and even HR business partners. So if we look at how much you can potentially earn if these titles are of interest to you, well, you can earn quite a bit. In terms of only a few years of your time, you can end up making over 6 figures. And the conditions are even more lucrative if we take a look specifically at the province of Alberta. So over the past year, there were over 1,327 HR/LR related postings in Alberta alone from very reputable companies, including Amazon and Suncor Energy and the city of Edmonton. So should you choose to stay in the beautiful province of Alberta, you can expect a starting salary around $7,000 more than the national average across Canada for 0 to 2 years of experience. So we've already established that you have excellent taste and having interest in, by having interest in the HR/LR area. And pursuing a career in HR or LR will allow others to benefit from your skills and leadership, which we know that the world needs more of. So please reach out to us with any questions that you may have. And you can reach out using the link that's provided below.